from the parking lot to the lookout is under 1 kilometer, and it is a flat and wide trail. The other trails in the park range from 1.5 to 3.5 kilometers, and they are marked as moderate because of some difficult footing on rocks and roots. The trails that go along the escarpment have lots of small lookouts, but there are no fences, so be very careful if you have children with you.